We have exactly 16 burgers to flip for family meetup that is in exactly 2 hours from now. And around here, I'm best known for delivering good food on time. That won't stop today. The sauce. You want a sauce that will lick you right back when you take a bite of that burger. You want it to burst. And that's our special sauce. A bunch of minced beef into a bowl. Oops. And just a touch bit more. Simply massage your meat. Average sized balls. With 1 hour 45 minutes left, you're good to go. Yeah, Dad had to take the car to the garage. No, why today? But the good news is he said you can rent a car from that app you're talking about. Oh, you mean the M-Pesa app? Do you know how to do it? Yeah, just open the M-Pesa app, go to services, open the Zuru car rental mini app, select the pickup location and just continue the prompts. Ah, kumbe, it's that simple. And now we're ready.